Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use image to image in Leonardo AI. So let's begin. So here we are in Leonardo AI, and the first thing that we would need to do is click here on the AI image generation. So click on this one, and from here you want to make sure that prompt magic is disabled right here so that you would be able to use image to image. And when you scroll down, you would see dimensions right here. So I recommend that you stick it into whatever resolution that you have your fine-tuned model right here. So this is also a very important one, so you want to make sure that you have the Dream Shaper fine-tuned model. So I will go for version 7 for this one right here. So let me just go for the scale that is closest to this, so or I could just set it right here, and one is 832, and just like that. And now I can go down and I can see the image to image right here. So from here we can just drag our photo right here, our sample image. So in my case it will be this one. I'm gonna drag it right here. So here it is, and just like that. Now I'm gonna type here. Now that I'm using the image to image, then I can adjust the strength right here based on what I like. So for my case, I'll just go over right here. And then now I can type a prompt right here on how I want this to be done. So maybe I'll go with a pixel art, just like that. And then when I go click on generate, but as you can see it says 16 tokens. I only want one, so that it would only cost me 8. Now for that I want to click on generate, and after that this is gonna be loading right here. This is using the image right here as a reference. So let's see what it has for us. And it's taking quite a while because as you can see I am not in the upgraded plan. That is why I am not in priority. And now here is the result for the pixel art right here, and this is how you do it. And I would say for this one, this is not very good for a pixel art in my opinion, but that is fine because I didn't specify, or I didn't put more details into my prompt right here. I just simply type pixel art for the sake of example, but that is how you basically use image to image here in Leonardo AI.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.